Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by green hills and rivers, there lived an old farmer named Mr. Thomas. He was known by everyone for his honesty, hard work, and wisdom. Though he was poor in money, he was rich in kindness and experience. Mr. Thomas had a small farm where he grew vegetables and kept a few cows and chickens. Every morning, he woke up before sunrise, worked on his farm all day, and went to bed early. His life was simple, but he was always happy. However, his 3 sons David, Sam, and Peter were very different. They didn't like to work on the farm. They wanted an easy life, full of luxury, without hard work. They often complained,
"Father, why do we live like this? We are tired of farming every day."
Mr. Thomas would just smile and say,
My sons, one day you'll understand that success is hidden in hard work.
Years passed. The old farmer became weak and ill. One day, he called his sons to his bed and said,
My dear sons, I may not live long, but I must tell you something important. There is a treasure hidden in our fields. If you dig the land, you will find it.
The sons were surprised and excited.
"A treasure?"
They shouted.
"Where, Father?"
Mr. Thomas smiled faintly and said,
You must dig every part of the land. The treasure is hidden somewhere in the soil.
After saying these words, the wise farmer closed his eyes forever. The 3 sons were very sad, but also curious about the treasure. The next day, they began to dig the whole field from morning till night. They worked for days and days digging every corner of the land, but found no gold, no jewels, no coins. They were disappointed. However, since the land was now completely tanned and soft, they decided to plant seeds in it. That year, their crops grew better than ever before. The soil was rich and healthy, and the harvest brought them more money than they had ever earned. Then they finally understood what their father meant. The real treasure was not gold or silver. It was hard work and the fruits of their labor. From that day, the 3 brothers worked together happily. They became successful farmers, respected by everyone in the village. One evening, David said with a smile,
"Father was right. The treasure was always here, in our hands, in our work."
And so they lived the rest of their lives with gratitude and wisdom, teaching others that hard work, patience, and honesty are the true secrets to success.